Make a start and open the bonnet. Since it's dark, we need a bit more light. That's great. Reveal the battery and remove the terminals, negative first, then positive. This guy is quick with his hands. Remove the battery jacket and take off the battery mounting plate. Slide out that old battery, then slide in the new one. That's great. Reinstall battery mounting plate. Lube up your terminals with some petroleum jelly. That's great. This is coming along well. Put your battery jacket back in place. Reinstall battery terminals, positive then negative. If you do this wrong, you could end up sounding as enthusiastic as me. I love BOSCH batteries. Plug up the front battery vent. That's great. I wonder if this guy can fix my dishwasher. This next step requires a computer and VCDS software. This bit is boring but necessary. If you don't have this, then you will need to take your car to a workshop. I don't need it as my chauffeur takes me about places. This was such an enjoyable experience. If you enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe. Mission completed.